Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some fried cinnamon for you, that's what I call them. It's just simply your flour tortillas, super simple. You take them, get a little small cookie cutter, or you can just cut them into strips or triangles or whatever size shape that you want. I just wanted smaller little discs. Cut it up, and once you have it cut up, you can start on getting your cinnamon sugar mixed together. And it's simply just cinnamon and sugar. Get it in a small little container, and then take your little discs that you have here, throw them into your oil, 350 degree oil, and then just simply start frying them off. And they don't take long to fry it all because they get crisp and golden brown pretty quick. Then you just take them out, chunk them in your sugar mixture, throw the lid on it, and just shake them back and forth, and boom, you got them. And that's it. Super simple, sweet little treat, great with ice cream, whipped cream, or either you can do cream cheese mixture with some cinnamon sugar that goes great with it as well. Anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.